friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 28th to June the 3rd. We are in a new month over at Walgreens. And if it's anything like last week with the boosters and the magic and the razzle dazzle and what other analogy you want to throw in there, it's probably going to be another great week just looking at this preview. Please treat this video as a preview. On Sunday, May the 28th, we're going to have the flyer in full with all of the digital coupons and all of the specific details. So we're just going to use this video as a preview. Do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big thumbs up. I would be so grateful. And for those of you that like cute cat photos, the two boys wrestling in the basement in front of my husband's Jackery battery. I think they're upset that he spent that much money on a battery. Please like this video. I would be so grateful. If you haven't been out to the store and you possibly still have these boosters, there's opportunities to make some baskets really, really cheap. And yes, we're going to look at that as well next week, and it's going to be absolutely terrific. But stacking these two Sunday moving forward, it's going to work from the 28th till the 31st, that stack. If you have a paper 1-2, that's a triple stack. Usually these boosters are of a one-time use. For any sort of percentage coupon or Walgreens cash or store register rewards, do not use them with these boosters because it's going to mess things up. For the balance, use your debit card to pay. We're going to hopscotch a little bit in this ad, but the first thing I want to talk about is one of these deals of the week. It's this bag of cashews or mixed nuts. Perfect item to grab to travel for the summer, for the car, for your purse. If you're on a low carb journey, what a great deal. We're going to look at this deal, $10 to $23, earn $8 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. The word buy is in there. So yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. So grabbing two of the razors for $20, and as this is a new month and we're going to get new P&G, I'm assuming we're going to get a $3 men and a $3 women. That's my assumption though. So if I'm wrong, double, triple check Sunday morning. Subtracting those digitals, it's $14. Get back $8 in Walgreens cash. It shakes it out to $6 for the two or $3 each. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can earn your Walgreens cash as this is a buy offer. And just a little reminder, let's double, triple check those digital coupons on Sunday morning to make sure the math is mathing. Okay, for all the parents out there, we're going to look at a quick Pampers deal. These are 2 for $21. The third one will be half cost. It won't be $14.99 at the register. We have this digital coupon, and usually on Sunday for Pampers, we get a 3 off a 2 with the new month. Load this one in the 3 off a 2. Grabbing 3 of those bags, it's going to be $31.50, subtracting $5 in digital manufacturers. Pay $26, get back a $5 register reward. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And again, to sound like a broken record, Sunday, let's double, triple check for that 3 off 2 digital so the math balances. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the OLAY body wash, and we're specifically going to look at the OLAY body wash because as of right now, there's an IBOTTA rebate. You're going to have to double, triple check on Sunday if it's still there for this deal. IBOTTA is giving back $3 when you buy two. The limit for that is 1, and it doesn't exclude the use of digital coupons. If you wish to scan this barcode into your IBOTTA app, if it's attaching, yay or nay, it was for me, and there was no exclusions that you couldn't use digital coupons. So looking at the math for this one, 3 of these would be 21. Typically, we get a 5 off of 2 or a 5 off of 3, and with the new month, I'm thinking 5 off 3. You'll pay $16, get back a $5 register reward, and $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash with this deal if you're not doing it in concert with a booster. And let's double, triple check on Sunday. Both the IBOTTA app, the rebate is still there and attaching, and they haven't changed the stipulations. Along with the Sunday digital coupons, I'm assuming it's going to be a 5 off 3. Now, I really like this offer. It's a BOGO free on these Lysol wipes, and they have really jumped the price on these wipes. Holy Toledo. Okay, so we have $1.50 back on 2 with the coupons.com app. Make sure that you have that guy loaded. Grabbing 2 of these, that's $7.29. Remember, it's on a buy one, get one free. Imagine paying almost $15 for 2 bags of wipes. Like, wow. Make a submission to the coupons.com app for $1.50 back, so it makes it $5.79 for the 2 or $2.89 per bag of wipes. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Okay, now we also have a buy one, get 2 for free on the Arm & Hammer. Typically when they have that promotion, I think it's like, let me think here. It's usually like $7.99 for the first, so just be mindful of that. And then $5 or $6, $3 reward when you buy two. If there's a really amazing digital coupon, that's definitely going to be a deal to pursue. But right now, I mean, look but don't touch on that deal. And the Head and Shoulders at BOGO, 50% off, $5 reward when you buy three. If there might be a very generous digital coupon, this potentially could be a deal, but we're going to have to wait and see again. And the spend 30, get back 10 on a healthy summer. Allergy is in fact part of it, and the $5 reward when you buy two in store is also popping in the ad. And then the Downy Rinse and Refresh, $6.99. We have a $2 digital, dropping this product down to $4.99. It's basically if you have very smelly, like, soccer cleats or like hockey equipment or whatever that you're washing for your kids or for you. This is supposed to remove the odor. I prefer Clorox, but if you wanted to try this for $4.99, it's not the worst deal. And everybody's favorite, the Dawn Power Wash for $4.99. Earn a $4 reward when you buy four. And there's going to be a $2 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So grabbing four of these, that is $19.96. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're going to pay $17.96. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $13.96 for the four, or $3.49 per bottle of spray. And if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. Okay, and now we have the Easy Squeeze, if that's more your speed, at $3.99, and it's on the same promotion of $4 reward when you buy four of them. So grabbing four of those, it's $15.96. Get back that $4 register reward, dropping it down to $11.96 for the four, or $2.99 per bottle of Easy Squeeze. And again, using no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. And now we have this friend, $5.49 for the Bounce Downy Tide Laundry Care. $5 reward when you buy four of them. Not seeing any digital coupons. Okay, so four Tides would be $21.96. Let's double, triple check for digital coupons on Sunday morning. Getting back a $5 register reward, it shakes it out to $16.96 for the four, or $4.24 per detergent. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this without a booster. It's still going to print that register reward for you. This is still a bit too rich. We need some digital coupons Sunday morning. And the Gain is 4 for $16. And again, I'm still harping on digital coupons. This possibly could be something with digital coupons for all of these products. And now we're looking at the 2 for $5 for the General Mills cereal. This is typically like pretty expensive over at Walgreens, but I do know that we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have this guy loaded. It's valid till like June, so hopefully you didn't use it. But grabbing 2 of those boxes for $5 on the nose and subtracting that $1 off 2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $4 or $2 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Okay, and now we have the $4.99 Cottonelle Kleenex Viva. I believe this is the deal of the week for paper. It's very, very cheap. Pairing it with a bit of Walgreens Cash, not doing this with a booster. I think that's a smart way to do the dealio. Okay, so now we're just going to cruise through some honorable mentions, and we do have quite a few for this video. So the first one that we're going to look at, my friends, is the earn 10 when you spend 50 on Walgreens home healthcare products. I know a lot of you have aging parents, so possibly something to pick up, or if you have a friend or loved one who's aging who might need a bench or a raised toilet seat, that's not too shabby. And then this is what I'm wondering, what is going to be the promotion and the digital coupons on the Tresemme and Love Beauty and Planet. And let's not forget to check Fetch Rewards too, if they might have a rebate for either one of those shampoos. Sometimes they surprise us with little gifts like that. And then the Dove, I think there might be an insert this weekend with some valuable Dove coupons, $7 to $10, but we need something back to make that a deal. So we'll have to wait and see until Sunday. Okay, and now we have the Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and I'm seeing Sesame Street there. I know that a lot of us have been reporting that Walmart has this cosmetic line, specifically Sesame Street, 50 to 75% off. So be on the lookout over there, so it's cheaper. And the Oscar Mayer bacon is 2 for $10. On a typical week, it's like 2 for $12. So that's some savings right there. And 2 for $5 for Rice Krispies. If you're a lazy baker like yours truly, that is a pretty good deal. And moving it along, We have more breakfast options, 2 for $5 for the pancake mix, and a BOGO free on the Kellogg's cereal. I'm wondering what the initial box is, how much it's going to be. And the final thing, restock the candy dish, $3 off with Candy 3. I'm definitely going to be utilizing that in a curbside matchup probably next Monday ish. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.